Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add comments in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select this tools option. Now select this comment option, and there are many kinds of comments. This is sticky note comments, this is text comment, this is text box comment, and here also you'll find this text call out comments. Firstly I'll show you sticky note comments. And put here this sticky note. You can change this sticky note color. Now click it again and type your comment here. Now you can post here. You can make this comment status change. You can add check mark. Also you can reply. Now I will add call out comments. Here I will add this call out comment and type your text here and see this. And click right button for properties. You can change here call out properties, fill color, thickness, line style, border color, and fill color the same. Okay, and double click on this call out box and select text. You can change this text color. You can align text, justify align, underline, and cross out. Change color. You can change font size. Also, you can add text box and double click on this text box and put your text and see this. Same way, click on this text box properties. You can change this one. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.